Okay, so I mean, you could try foiling it out, but I would probably skip that for a second. I want to get rid of that negative and move the b times cx minus d over to the left side. What do we have here? It's ax times cx plus d plus b times cx plus d. Notice they're both being multiplied by cx plus d. So this is one way of reverse foiling a quadratic, but basically what this is the equivalent of ax plus b times cx plus d. So it's like a reverse foiled quadratic that way. It's the same thing because I like distribute that to each of them. It's what I have in the first line is the same as ax plus b times parentheses cx plus d. So then I can say, oh, okay, ax plus b equals 0 or cx plus d equals 0, like I always do with a quadratic like that. X equals negative b over a, cx equals negative d, x equals negative d over c. So then the ratio of two possible solutions for x, so I could put one over the other, it doesn't really matter because it's just a ratio, possible ratio of one over the other. So negative b over a over negative d over c, let's multiply by negative c over d. Negatives go away, it's bc over ad. So that's just, E is just as good because it's just that but flipped, AD over BC. Either one is a ratio, just a ratio of one to the other, a possible ratio. So either BC over AD or AD over BC, both are good.